Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm testing this little iRonsnow emergency radio. And there's several tests I'm going to do. The test I'm going to start right now is the battery life test, one of the battery life tests. So I've charged the internal battery. I don't have any batteries added. It's only got the internal battery using the USB port, so it's fully charged theoretically. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of accelerate this test in that I'm going to have the radio on and this lamp on. So that's going to be a pretty heavy draw, and it would kind of simulate if you're out in the woods or something and you want a reading light and you want to listen to the radio. So that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to start it now. I'm going to start a timer and see how long it goes. So let me get the timer over here and reset it. Clear. And so we're going to let this go. This is good for 99 minutes and 99 seconds. I'm sure it won't last that long. It'll be interesting to see how long it lasts. Again, I'm going to kind of worst case it with the light on, the reading light here, and the radio playing. Here we go. So I'm going to turn it on. I turn the light on, which is this one. So I got that light on, nice and bright. I got the radio on. Let me turn the volume up about half. Let me see if I can get NOAA weather. No, let's do AM. That's you might be kind of bored, so you turn on an AM station. You might be able to receive wherever you are. So let's go to AM. That's FM. There's AM. There we go. About medium volume. All right, here we go. So start. We got the timer going. We'll check it every few minutes and see how it's doing. So stay tuned for the results, and I'll be doing some other testing. Bye-bye.